What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a good day. And today I'm going to be going over my trade for June 13th, 2024. And as you can see, I did end up freaking blowing my live 50K account, and that was all due to emotions. And for the past week, I have been dealing with some family stuff going on, so that's also what probably messed me up. And I was just not locked in, but that doesn't matter. I decided to lock in again. I made myself a whole checklist, right? And as you can see today, we're up $1,007. I only took that one trade today, and I'm gonna be going over how I made that 1,000. So now I only need two more good trades like this, and I pass the account again. Because passing the account is no problem. You can never take away the skill. They could keep taking away the live account that I had, but the skill is never going to be taken away, and the discipline is all I need right now. I'm going to be fully disciplined going into this, and just literally, if I'm looking for only one trade a week, then I'm only taking one trade a week. If I don't find more than one setup a week, I don't take it, and even if I find no setup a week, I don't take it. I'm going to stick to my setup and my setup only. So now let's get into the trade. So these are all my bearish reasons right here. I had three bearish reasons, so that's why I was bearish today for these reasons. Number one, yesterday was a very, very aggressive move to the upside. This whole move up was literally all yesterday, right? So from 8:30 yesterday, which was around right here, to all the way, this whole big move was yesterday's move. So that move needs to be rebalanced. So I'm also assuming that's gonna go down for that. Number two, the hourly was in market maker bullet, a bearish model. If you could, I'll just hide that real quick. All the stuff I have. If you ignore all this to the right and just focus on this right here, we can see that we're at all-time highs. So we're just taking liquidity every time we pass a high, taking liquidity right here. We take liquidity, then we aggressively displace below both of these lows, leaving a fair value gap behind. That is a bearish structure on the hourly time frame. So that's why I was bearish. That was a very strong reason. And number three was there was bearish SMC from this high to this high right here. ES had not been taken this high yet. This high was all-time high. Something I've started to start implementing is that on 8:30s, I'm not looking for a trade setup anymore, because I've noticed that my winning trades are always after 9:30, so I'm gonna just stick to 9:30 setups after 9:30. So, anyways, now let's get into the actual trade. Alright, so this is the 8:30 manipulation candle. I was waiting for manipulation to the upside because of the news, and that's exactly what happened. We manipulated to the upside exactly how I wanted to, and then we just distributed lower for the rest of the day. And we're actually still going right now. Right now it's 2:54 p.m. and we haven't I'm actually in a long position right now on my package account because I'm trying to package PM session 2. And I'm currently up 320. This is my take profit right here. But enough of that. I'm actually just gonna get into the trade that I took already, which I made 1,000 with. Alright, this is what I saw. This bearish range down, there was a fair value gap right above the 50% area, so the premium smart money is gonna buy a short at a premium. And that's what I was waiting for us to get into. I saw that there was this liquidity sweep right here, and 8:30 at midnight opening were acting as heavy resistance. I don't know if you can tell, but there's all these lines, all these wicks are acting as resistance right here. This area is kind of resistance. So support and resistance traders, they're shorting up here. So I know the market's not gonna like that, and it's gonna try to take them all out by going above it. And above it is this premium fair value up right here, and that's what I wanted price to get into. And also right here, there was 3-minute displacement after taking out liquidity. I was actually going to look at this if we had formed a fair value gap on the 3-minute, but we didn't form any fair value gap at all. And as you can see, we just ended up going right through that and taking out this liquidity. So now we have a 2-drive pattern. Maybe on 2-minute we have 3-drive pattern. Boom, this liquidity taken to, yeah, we have a 3-drive pattern on the 2-minute action. So that works out perfectly. I love seeing a 3-drive pattern with SMT right here. This is SMT, obviously. And after that, on the 3-minute, after we hit this, we started kind of dropping down, and I caught this break. I called this a displacement because we had displaced very aggressively down here. And then there was a very, very tiny 3-minute fair value gap right here. As you can see, there's a little space. But I went off of the 2-minute fair value gap instead. This was a 2-minute fair value gap that had already been re-entered. I put my limit right here. I got entered right there. My stop loss was above this high right here. And then my take profit was this low right here, because I wanted to target these equal lows. But I was just in case we don't get all the way down there, I'll be chilling with this low right here, okay? And we got that low, so that's good. And as you can see, we went way more down, so I gotta maybe double my money. But I'm happy with the money I made today. I don't really care. But that's the trade for today, and I'll let you all know how this trade actually goes out by tomorrow. Actually, maybe you'll see it right now. I'll just put it on the time lapse.
order filled.
Alright, as you can see, order filled. I was actually not even paying attention. I just heard the order filled. But we went right to my TP, which was at the start of this fair value gap and around this level of liquidity. That's how you do it. And this is obviously on a practice account. My real account, I made 1,000, like I just went over today. But yeah, just to prove to you guys I can do this shit live and I'm not just making shit up. Peace out for now. See you tomorrow.